Hello, this is part 2 of one of the most important ways men can burn energy and get nice and metabolically sound. If you watched part 1, the answer to that was sleep. Sleep is one of the best ways you can burn energy. If you look at the science of energy metabolism, you actually use more energy at rest than you do at a session at the gym. So say you go to the gym and you're there for 2 or 3 hours, maybe you did like 700, 800 calories, however you're measuring it with your heart rate. You actually have more metabolic energy when you're at rest. If you were to sleep all day and do nothing, your body, your brain, your liver, your kidneys, all of these involuntary organs need lots of different energy sources. And if you have a lot of muscle, your resting metabolism is most likely between 1,500 and 2,000 calories. Those are energy units. You are burning more energy just by being a human than by doing active energy at the gym. If you want to have a more fiery furnace, rest. Think about babies. They grow so fast. So much is happening in the first 5 years of life. They rest all of the time. And if they're not rested, they don't show up well. Where did we lose that concept of rest as older adults? There's so much happening for us and we're not growing as much, but we're showing up more functionally. If you're wanting to grow, whether physically or emotionally or psychologically, rest is important. Please do not forget you burn more energy and you can get more accomplished the more you are rested. And that is physical and metaphorical. If this was helpful, like and subscribe and follow along. Man, thank you for listening. And if you are not a biological male and you are watching this, tell a biological male in your life. And I am accepting new clients. And yeah, thank you so much. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and like and subscribe my YouTube. Okay, bye.